Rising high. Shona Prince takes over the scene with Vendor, Rocket. The Zimbabwean music scene is currently buzzing, and one name is echoing louder than the rest: Shona Prince. Known for his lyrical prowess and soul-stirring melodies, Shona Prince has officially solidified his spot as a heavyweight with the release of his hit single, Vendor, featuring the legendary Takura and the lyrical marksman Calvin Mangena. The Vendor phenomenon mic. Since its release, Vendor has become more than just a song, it's an anthem for the streets. The track captures the daily grind, the resilience of the Zimbabwean spirit, and the hustle that keeps the nation moving. What makes this track stand out? The collaboration. Bringing together the king of Zim-Hip Hop, Takura and Shona Prince created a vocal chemistry that is rare to find. The message. It speaks to the heart of anyone working hard to make ends meet, resonating deeply with fans across the globe. The production. With crisp visuals directed by Andy Kutta, the music video has already racked up hundreds of thousands of views, trending across social media platforms. From note to self to viral stardom glowing star, Shona Prince isn't just a one-hit wonder. Fans who have been following his journey on Chero TV and YouTube know he has been consistently dropping gems. From the introspective vibes of Note to Self to the upbeat energy of Ngowani, he proves time and again that his versatility is his superpower. His ability to blend Shona lyricism with modern Afro fusion and hip-hop beats has earned him a dedicated fanbase that continues to grow. Watch the vibes on Chero TV. For those who want to see the behind-the-scenes action, exclusive interviews, and the latest performances, Chero TV is the place to be. We are committed to bringing you the best of Zimbabwean talent, and Shona Prince is leading the pack in 2026. Don't miss out. Go stream Vendor on all digital platforms and watch the official video to support local greatness. Hashtags for Chero TV. Hashtag Shona Prince, hashtag Vendor, hashtag Takura, hashtag Calvin Mangena, hashtag Zim Music, hashtag Chero TV, hashtag Zimbabwe Entertainment, hashtag Zim-Hip Hop, hashtag New Music Alert, hashtag Support Local Zim, #ZimTalent 2026, hashtag Street Anthem, hashtag Trending Zim.